Okay, ladies, this doesn't have to be a shitty job. I mean, okay, ladies, this doesn't have to be a crappy job. It's very easy. You fill up the tank, you add half a bottle of this, and then within 72 hours, you drain the tank, rinse it once. Let's see if this works. Everybody has problems with the black tank sensors. I know it. Ours have not been recording properly since we got it, so let's give this a shot and see if this will help solve our problem. Just one more hurdle. Because we don't have water where we're storing our trailer, we're going to cart water up to the trailer, fill the black tank, add the restore, let it sit, and then our first shakedown, which will be tomorrow, we will drain it at the site that we're going to. Okay, here we go. Let's see if this is going to work for us this year. So the trailer looks great. It looks like it's going to open really well. I'm going to add some water to the tank and see if we can restore our black tank sensors. Okay, it's not as easy as it looks because I have to hold the pedal down while I'm pouring the water in so that I can actually fill up the tank. Good sign though, the tank doesn't smell while I keep the pedal down. That's one. Okay, tell me honestly, tow vehicle in an accident, weather's supposed to be lousy, we have to fill our black tank, de-winterize this thing. Dominic has two shoulders that are injured. I have an injured elbow. Would you still go away for the weekend, or would you reconsider it? Postpone it until, the stars aligned a little bit better. Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, today's the day. We are going to add the Restore It to the black tank. Let me just read the instructions for you. Dump your black tank, which we did in the fall. Rinse the black tank thoroughly and remove residual waste and previous treatments. That we did in the fall. We did a good backwash. We've added the antifreeze. The antifreeze is out. Close your black tank valve. It is closed. Fill your black tank completely with water. If water is not touching the sensors, it cannot get clean. So that's what we're doing right now. We are adding water to the tank, and we have to physically add it by carrying a whole bunch of bottles and containers because we don't have access to water supply right now. And then shake the Restore bottle really well. We will do that, and then pour 16 ounces of Restore It into the holding tank through the toilet. Then we have to let it sit for 12 to 72 hours. The longer the better. No amount of time is too long, which is good to know because we are planning on getting it out to a full hookup campground this weekend. But if by chance we can't get a tow vehicle, then we can let it sit longer. It's not going to hurt it. Thank goodness. Okay, then we rinse out the black tank thoroughly by filling it completely full with clean water, dumping it. Do this twice. Repeat if necessary. So that's why we're going to a full hookup campground to open up the trailer this year, because we need to fill it again and then dump it. Here we go. That's it. You have to add a half a bottle of solution to a full tank of water. We are going to drive it to the campground, let it swish around a little bit, which you don't have to. We are. and then we'll dump it, rinse it, fill it, dump it, and we'll let you know whether this sensor restore actually works. Okay, now we're going to fill up the tank again and then do one more rinse. We're just running the hose through the window. You really have to hold the pedal down this time because the pressure is really high. Can you slow the pressure a bit? Just slow it a bit. It's got to be almost full. Okay, good job.
Oh. Now sunshine is backwards.
You set it out for me. You set me up for failure.
I'm a trickster, but...
Okay, ladies, we can do this. I like the 90-degree. Okay? Let's put this somewhere to throw away.
And
this way we can clean our tank and get our sensors working. So that's in there nice and tight.
does it screw in on that, or is there's no thread on the other one?
There's no thread. You
Okay.
just have to hold it.
Okay. She lined up the truck pretty good. Like it should just flow right in.
All right.
But
now this is all clean water because we had treated our tank to clean the sensors.
and we flushed the black tank before we winterized
So
it.
it's not stinky. But if you use this 90-degree angle, it's not stinky anyhow. Men make it sound way worse than it is. Not that I'm offering to do this job, but
Sold. You have it from now on.
I think slower is better. Otherwise it pops out and then you have a catastrophe. An environmental catastrophe. There we
Okay.
go. Ta-da, that's all there is to it.
Done. Don't forget to shut off the valve. Bob's your uncle. Time for a beer. She's buying.
My treat. I'll serve with these gloves on. What do you think? Okay, let's check this. The black tank. It's empty and it's registering it empty. So we'll use it for a couple days and I'll let you know if it's working. So after 2 days of camping, we're a third full. We're gonna fill it all the way up and then drain it and see if we can get her back to zero, back to empty. Okay, now it's recording full and I can verify it's full because it is definitely full. And now we're gonna drain it and hopefully we'll go right back down to empty. Let's give this a shot.
Flushing the black tank.
Okay, so now we're emptying the black tank and then I'm gonna check to see if the gauge reads empty again. Right now it's full. Here we go. Probably should have gloves on.
Newbie.
Okay, now we're back to empty. So we're back to E. This is exactly what I was hoping to get. So I would have to say that I was pretty impressed with that sensor cleaning product. So I will put a link in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more RV tips, maintenance guides, and adventure. Thanks for watching.